Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with this cup bottom thing again, and I will try to do kind of a sunset pour. Maybe I will just do it like this. So I added purple first, and next will be brilliant blue, and I taped my sides because I will talk about this a little later, and I added a little of pearl white and Prussian blue and Windsor blue. I will just add a little of pearl white again and magenta. And some opera rose. And vermilion, and yellow. This is a cadmium yellow, lemon hue, and I will pour a little yellow here too, where I will add my flower shaped cup. No, I have to turn it this way, and I will pour just on two sides. That's why I decided to add a tape, because I thought that maybe it will try to fly off the canvas, and I don't want that. So let's see how this will look like. I don't know if this will look like a sunset. So I will turn it around, but maybe it will look nice anyway. Probably this will not look like a sunset. I don't know. I will just pour some white here. I will pour this off mostly, I hope, just to flood down. I didn't want to add white before because otherwise I would have too much white in the middle, I think. I don't know. Maybe I should try that too. But this time I decide to do it like this. And I will tilt it a little bit first and then remove this tape. I'm adding this, otherwise all this pattern will flow onto each other, and I think that I would lose a lot of these patterns, so I will rather risk some white paint. Okie dokie. So let's see what is underneath. Hey, I didn't mean to have this kind of pattern here in the middle, but now it is what it is. So this yellow obviously wasn't such a good idea. Really don't like this here in the middle. Let's see what I can do with this. If I try to slide with my finger. I don't know. Let me see what will happen. Okay, and I will remove this now carefully. No. I will tilt this some more to cover the sides. I just have to remove this first. Okie dokie. Let me see. Don't see the sides. Don't like this purple here. I have to tilt a little more to this side, and now I lost a lot of the pattern that I really like, so I don't know if this was a good idea. Okie dokie. I just don't like this part, and this part here. This is from Pearl White, that it's not add much to this painting, but you never know if you don't try. Just try to blend this a little bit like this. Okay, I like it. Let me take you for a close-up. See, sides are important, that you try to match them with your, this one here is a little strange, but I can still fix it. But otherwise I'm really happy. Different as I thought, but still beautiful. It has so many beautiful details and movement and everything, so I'm happy. So this is it for today. Tell me what you think about this one. I think that it turned out nice, but definitely it's a lot of possibilities to do something with this technique, as you can see. I know that you can do just straight pour, but I think that I get a little more of these lines and depth, and I don't know, I just think that it's different than the normal straight pour. So tell me what you think. Do you think it's different, or? Bye!